What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm inside my car right now. I actually just got home from work. I popped the hood so the engine could cool down a bit because it's like extremely hot outside. Probably 80 degrees right now. It's actually our first hot day of the year. But I got home and I got a couple packages. I had the headlights, which that's literally what they're called, off of eBay. So I'm gonna see if they're worth it or not. These ran me about 30 bucks, nothing crazy. Another thing I ordered is my B series spark plug cover, which looks really good. I'm not sure if that is actually just the eBay program. I'm not sure if they have their own website or anything. This is where I found it, but this is a company right here. They sent me a sticker, so along with the package. I'm pretty sure they do it to all packages that they send out, but it's a cool sticker. I guess I'll keep it in my sticker collection. 6-speed. The reason why I got a metal one and not a plastic one is because, well, the OEM one is plastic, but the reason why I got this one is because I'll show you guys right now. The plastic ones from eBay tend to flex a little bit, if you get what I'm saying. So, let's see if you can see it. There you go, you can see it there. Where it just starts like, I don't know. I guess the heat kind of like makes it flex a little bit like that. So it's kind of weird. All right, guys, so it's been a couple minutes. Car's a little bit cooler to the touch now. These are the bulbs that I got. As you can see, the connectors should be just a plug and play. I really wish this had a company, because if they do work out good, I would like to shop them out. I can lend them to you guys. But anyways, so yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna try to find a little spot where I could put. Alright, so at this time I'm having the hardest time. The clip came off. It wasn't supposed to come off. I don't know what the hell I'm recording. I can't see the camera and it's just a mess. So just bear with me right here. But yeah, let's get back to it. Doesn't let you put your finger in there. As you guys can see, but you just connect this to this. Okay, after getting frustrated, I decided just to connect it and obviously just continue on with the video. And I pretty much edited a lot of this out, so let's just follow up with. Alright, so here's the stock one. This is the OEM side, which, as you can see, it's not really that bright. I'm gonna do a difference at night. I'll put something here so you guys can see. But here's the actual difference. You guys can see. Alright, so what I do here is I take the electrical tape just to tape the connectors real quick. Nothing crazy, just to have see how it doesn't really go in all the way, just to have that sealed off and have no water, moisture, or anything get inside and have a disrupted connection or anything. So that's pretty much all I do right here. Alright, so my phone ended up dying after my headlight bulbs were installed, so now I'm gonna just jump straight into the spark plug cover. Now, you always want to put these by hands first, just in case. Don't just go in there or hit it with a gun or anything, because these will snap. These things are the easiest things to break on a valve cover. So, yeah. I always do a crisscross pattern. Alright, how do I feel about the fitment? The fitment is a little bit off. So you can see right here. Let me try to focus it in. There you go. So you can see right here is a little bit off. And it just looks like it could be, you know, fitment look like it could be a little bit better. Alright. So there's the final product. Unfortunately, I might have to get some spacers because I don't really like the way it sits. You can see it's up right here because this side doesn't fit. Then it curves down. Then it's up again. So I might have to get some spacers to put under so it can be up here flush. Maybe just tighten it. I mean, I only have about 2 threads here to go up or down. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I really like it. This is kind of sketchy too, the way this wire here, the top, is kind of touching. And these two, this one's not, and this one's not. But the 2 center ones are, so I don't know, maybe with the vibration I might cut into it. I don't know. I feel kind of weird about it. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you like that one better? Should I just get an OEM one? Yeah, it definitely looks off. Let me try to clean it real quick. So a little update from my last clip. I recently put spacers. Oh my god, I don't even know where my camera's. Oh, here you go. I put spacers under. Now it's sitting a little bit too high in the front, but it's sitting flush. I think it looks a little bit better than recently. Yeah, definitely looks way better. Just gotta get these 4 screws. I'll probably get some downstar bolts or something. But yeah, there it goes. And now that it's a little bit darker outside, since I've been, you know, playing with this all day, you see now how actually bright they are. Actually, I'm gonna walk all the way to the back. And it's still shining on my pants.
Still shining back here.
Yeah. Like, even back here, look at this. And look how far the car is. So, they are very bright. Yeah, I think it's worth it. I mean, it's blinding the hell out of me right now, but the car is on a little uphill, so it is facing a little bit, you know. The car is lower, so I'm pretty sure it won't blind anyone out on the street or anything, hopefully. Hopefully get no complaints about it, but yep. Let me move this real quick. Clean it off a little bit. That's it.